All right, so this first gift is to Nash from Grandma. So Nash, you gonna open this?
Big smile.
Yeah, is that fun? You gonna open? Nash. Huh? If you can hit the flash part, maybe that light's what's...
Where's the, okay. There we go.
Can you still see us okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Nash. Hey, you gonna rip this? Here. No? Yeah. It's from Grandma. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is great. You got a bib.
Oh.
And a long sleeve t-shirt. And these are all, let's see, 24 months since he's already in 12-18, so that's perfect. Nash, look, and you got another, let's see, a red onesie. Yeah, that goes underneath. Yeah, and cargo pants. Very cool. So grown up. All right, so that's the first one. What do you think? Are you happy about that? Huh? You like the paper? Yeah. We got another one. This also is from Grandma. Can you take the bow off? Come on, rip, rip. Ooh, and we got some more clothes. These are sweats, and they're nice ones. Oh, look it. A moose. What else, Nash? More shirts. Very nice. That looks very little boyish. And another one. Say thank you, Grandma. You happy? You happy about all the paper, too?
Yeah, I think he's more excited about the paper.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Grandma.